Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our newest uploads. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today you are going to learn how to update your Facebook app. To do this, open Play Store. Inside Play Store, click on the search bar and type the name of the app you want to update. In this case, it is Facebook, so I type in Facebook. Then you can see an option that says Update. Click on it, then the update on your app will begin downloading. App updates are provided by the creators to launch new features, improve security, and bug fixes. Therefore, you need to update the app to get the best out of it. Once your app is updated, you can now use the app for your daily. So, in this way, you can easily update any app on your phone. If you found this video helpful and informative, do not forget to drop a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.